is my value? I'm about to set my timer. And remember what we say. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Brayden, you ready? On your mark. Thank you, Brianna. Looking so nicely. Your whole body's turned this way. Would you put your name on the ticket? On your mark. Get set. Go. Here we go. Okay, let's take a look at the number we're going to build today. Let's read it together. You ready?
372.
Good. One more time.
372.
Nice job. That was so much better. I could hear you. Ashley, can you see okay right there? If you want to come down, you can. So you can see my back is kind of towards you. Awesome, Ashley. Okay, so you're gonna help me build this. How many hundreds do I need here?
3.
Thank you. 3. Show me with your fingers what the hundreds look like. Whoop, whoop, woo. What are they? Good. What are they? They are hundreds, aren't they? And they're squares. Yes. How many do we need?
3.
Let's count them.
1,
And let's say, 1,
2, 3.
We just put 3 hundreds up there. So let's count by hundreds now. 100, 200, 300. Help me count again.
100, 200, 300.
Good. Girls, count.
100, 200, 300.
Nice job, girls. Boys, can you do as well?
100, 200, and 300.
Nice. 300. Now, how many tens do we need?
7.
7. Help me count them. Oh, yeah. Thank you. You know what? John Quavius. Fingers up. What do our tens look like? Good. What shape? Rectangle. Let's count them. 1, 2. Hold on. I got to get them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So each of these is a 10. Let's count by tens. Ready? Everyone.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
Nice job, girls.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
Ooh, good job, girls. Now, boys.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
Good. 370 is what we have so far, right? How many ones do we need?
2.
Good job. Hold that thought for just a second, okay? 2. That's kind of easy. Oh, and how do we make 2, or how do we make tens when we sketch? You guys are so good at that. Help me count.
1, 2.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's read this number again.
372.
Nice job. 372. Now, let's try to count these. This is going to be a tricky part. This is like a big kid thing. Let's see if we can do it. We're going to count all of these pieces up. We're going to count, starting here, we're going to count by hundreds. Then we're going to switch, Brayden, and we're going to count by tens. And then we're going to switch, and we're going to count by?
2. 1.
All right, let's try it. Ready? Everybody go like this. Here we go. Gotta get ready. All right, bring it on. Here we go. Ready? 100, 200, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 371, and 372. Nice. Good job. So, bring your eyes over here. We've got the number 372. We've got to sketch it. So, I know I can start with my hundreds. So, how many hundreds do I need to sketch?
3.
And show me what it looks like. Whoop, 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 whoop. Those are my hundreds. 1, 2, 3. And I'm telling you, you guys are experts at sketching. I'm so impressed with you. Okay, how many tens do I need to sketch?
7.
And what do they look like? There's my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many ones do I need? 2. How's that look? Good to go? Be careful, because I might try to trick you. Oh, thank you, John Quavius. I might try to trick you, so be careful. Okay, expanded form. Give me a thumbs up if you remember expanded form from yesterday. Show me with your hands what we do to expand that form. Expanded notation. And it just is like a rubber band, and we don't change it, but we stretch it out, right?
And it means big.
Kind of like this. Miss Brown shared something with me that I wanted to share with you. Something pretty cool. Watch this.
10.
Oh, I love the way you're waiting so quietly.
I do
So
too.
exciting. Take a look.
Watch what she's
this.
got.
Here, I'm going to bring it. Here's the number, right? 372. Look at that, Micaiah. I love the way you are watching. Your eyes are right on me, Micaiah. Okay, there's 372. Okay, now watch this. I am going to expand it. Brayden, will you come here for a second? I'm going to expand it out. Will you do me a favor? Will you hold that 3? And we'll turn a little bit towards everybody. There you go. Now, you hold it right there. Watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stretch. Oh, I'm gonna stretch. Oh! What's that?
300.
Watch, I'm gonna put it back together. 372, but notice what's underneath there. Ooh, 2 zeros, because it's not just a 3, it's 300. And it's these 300s, right? Okay. All right. Whoops, I'm sorry, babe. Okay. Ashley, will you come join us? All right. And will you come here? I'm going to let go for just a second. You come right there. You're okay, Ashley. There you go. Okay, so Brayden, you've got the 3. Ashley, you've got the 7. Ready? Okay, so we're going to expand. Hold that. Okay, now look, I'm going to expand my ones, and look what happened. What's Ashley holding?
70.
So it's not just a 7, it's 70 under there. Look, there's our 70, our 7 tens. And how many ones?
2.
So that means in expanded form, 300 plus 700, or 70 plus
2 equals 306.
Good job. Where'd you guys go?
Well, where'd that come from?
I'm glad you're so tough.
I'm glad you didn't have stinky feet.
Really? Gotta watch those.
I'm glad I went.
Okay, guys. So 372 expanded. We expanded it out. Help me write it. Excuse me, baby. Could you not do that so I don't trip? That would be awful. I would hurt somebody if I tripped. Okay. Ready? Guys, how many hundreds do we have?
3.
300s. And remember when Brayden stretched it out, it looked like this, didn't it? 300. And then when we stretched out the 7, what did it become?
70.
That's what Ashley was holding. 70. And then I was left with a little old 2. That's expanded form. You pull it out. And remember what it is? It's how many ones are in each of these, right? So please, thank you, baby. I really don't want to trip, okay? Look, so here's one of these. And how many are in here?
100.
100. Thank you. Beautiful. Here's one of these. How many are in here?
10.
Woo-hoo. Okay, so expanded form looks like that. We're going to talk more about that today. Oh, hey. This is the value of the 7. What is the value of the 7 in 372? Brayden, like, how many of these are in this place? In the tens place. There's 10 in one of these, so if we count them up, 10, 20, 30,
7. There's 70 in 1.
there's 70 in the tens place, right? That's the value of the 7. So, take a look, guys. You never know when I'm going to trick you. So that's what Brayden said, right? Brayden said there are 70.
That's 700.
Thank you for watching. That's
Wow,
700.
he is on the ball.
Is on the ball.
Then there's
Nice
70.
job. That's 70, right? There are 70. The value of that 7 is not 7 ones, it's 7 tens, which makes 70. Give me a thumbs up if you're with me. That one's tricky. I'll be able to tell who's listening when we get to the next part. Last thing. Is this number, 372, greater or less than 500?
Less than.
Wowee.
Time.